Prezidente Republika José Ramos Hasoru Malu Ministra ba Dezenvolvimentu Internasional Australia Hodi Hametin Relasaun Bilateral.
Banhira remata Hasoru Malu, Ministra ba Dezenvolvimentu Internasional Australia, Ane Ali ba jornalista, iha Palácio Presidencial Nicolau Lobato bairro PT Quartan Hateteng, nia contente Hasoru Presidente José Ramos.
This is my first trip outside of Australia in my official capacity as the Minister for International Development, Minister for Multicultural Affairs and Minister for Small Business. 3 areas of great interest here in Timor-Leste as well. I've just had a very, very fruitful meeting with His Excellency the President. We talked about Australia's long friendship and long-standing relationship with Timor-Leste. But we also talked about some of the most the fruitful and continuing relationship, particularly through our labour mobility program and other areas of cooperation that we will continue to support in growing our relationship with Timor-Leste.
Hasoru Malu, Presidente Republika José Ramos hato bem-vindo ba Ministra Dezenvolvimentu Internasional Australia, Ane Ali. Hasoru Malu diskuti hamutu kona berrelasaun bilateral entre Timor-Leste e Australia. Enkontru idane destaca a parceria nebe dura entre Timor-Leste e Austrália. A discussão sira nebe foca no objetivo de desenvolvimento partilhado, colaboração econômica no Timor-Leste e adesão à ASEAN. Emerenciana Pinto, STL News.